Hi and welcome back. I am Kashif, your host, and today we are going to have second and final session of basic data modeling. If you have not watched my first video on basics of data modeling, then please first watch the part 1. Just to remind you again that like and subscribe my channel so that you can get my videos regularly. Let's move to my screen. First, let me remind you few things from part 1 of basics of data modeling. Now you are aware of relational databases. You know the field and records. You know the 3 types of relationships: a one-to-one, B one-to-many, C many-to-many. A quick small question: which type of relationship is mostly used? Waiting for your answer. Yes. Very good, it's one-to-many relationship type, which is mostly used in data modeling. Let's have a look at last example of relationships for sales database. I have added purchases table and a date table. Wait, soon you will understand the logic why we need these 2 tables. If your manager asks you how much is the cash flow for the day, assuming that both sales and purchases are on cash basis only, then you will have 2 questions in your mind. How much is my daily sales? And how much is my daily purchases? Hence we realized, sometimes we have data which is not directly linked, but all the data is linked with time, and this time-based data can give us lots on information. So in very easy words, time-based data analysis is called time analytics. In this case, we have added a date table in our database. Oh, you have question in your mind that Kashif, you do not know that we have dates in both sales and purchases tables. Look at your data purchases table has dates beyond sales horizon. So in order to ensure that we do not miss any dates, we always create a separate date table for time analytics. Due to this separate date table, now you can do apple-to-apple match by dates for cash flow, sales versus purchases. I hope now your concepts are clear about relationships and time analytics. Just a last question at the end. What is the date table and sales table, date field, relationship type? Guess it. Again, you are 100% right, it's one-to-many. Our date table will have one date once only, primary key, whereas sales or purchases table can have many orders in one date, so they will be many, foreign key. Again, one more question. Did you subscribe my channel? You are again 100% right. You did it.